again. This is Jean, and today I'm going to do a skincare review specifically of this product here. But first, pasensya na kung medyo raspy yung voice ko kasi kakagaling ko na sa sakit. Medyo hindi pa nakaka-recover yung lalamunan ko. I will try my best to speak clearly. And if you hear background noises, I'm sorry. Mga electric fan yun. Dalawa, sobrang init. Tapos nandito na ako sa baba, diba? Kasi wala, mainit talaga ngayon. Kaya, pasensya na. So, this is an item that I got from my Althea Korea beauty box. I'll have the link of my unboxing down below sa description box. So, this is the Nature Republic Soothing and Moisture Aloe Vera 92% Soothing Gel. Ang haba ng pangalan niya, diba? This is a Korean branded product. I got it from Althea Korea, but I believe this is also available sa Nature Republic dito sa Philippines. Not sure how much ito, yung local price niya dito sa Nature Republic and other sellers, but at Althea Korea, regular price niya is 245 pesos, but I bought this at a discount. 180 ko na lang siya nabili. Yan, open ko na siya. And it's sealed lang with a plastic. Nung na-receive ko siya, naamoy ko na siya actually. And ang bango niya. Packaging-wise, it's a plastic tub. Makapal naman yung plastic niya. Matigas siya, so hindi mo siya masusqueeze. But yeah, you have to really tighten the cap para hindi siya mag-leak. It has 300 ml or 10.56 fluid ounce of the product. Of course, as this is a Korean product, may mga items or may mga text dito sa packaging niya na written in Hangul or Korean. I don't really know how to read that language, so yun, I won't be able to tell you what exactly it means, but merong mga English terms, may mga English text naman din dito sa likod. The description here, usage instruction, cautions, ingredients in English. The thing with this packaging, I really think this is not very travel friendly because una malaki siya, tsaka medyo mabigat siya actually, lalo na pag puno. Medyo prone to leakage siya, so if you want to bring this with you kapag nag-travel kayo or may pinupuntahan kayo or kung gusto mong magdala everyday on your kikakit, transfer it in a more durable and less prone to leakage na lalagyan na lang. It says here at the back na enriched with 92% organic aloe vera, organic and certified by California Certified Organic Farmers. So yan. Mild formula, free from paraben, mineral oil, and artificial colors. It claims to mildly moisturize parts of the body such as face, arms, legs, and hair. So parang all-around product siya, which is super nice talaga, diba? And then, it is skin firming, moisturizing, and has soothing effects. Lastly, it is a fast-absorbing gel that keeps the surface of the face and body healthy. First ingredient is aloe vera leaf extract 92%. So, you know na yun talaga yung pinaka-ingredient ng product na to. Kasi yung iba, diba, parang sabihin lang nila aloe vera gel, pero pag tignan mo yung list of ingredients, nasa hulihan pa yung aloe vera extract. So, next is alcohol. Yun lang, may alcohol siya. And then, yung mga susunod na ingredients, mahirap na i-pronounce and I really don't know them at all. I mean, hindi ko alam kung ano yung ibig sabihin nila, para saan yun. So, according dun sa Althea website, this is safe to use on all skin types. But I think since gel siya, usually gel-based skincare products are best for oily skin. Nabuksan ko na siya, tanggal ko na yung cap, and meron pa siyang lid ulit for extra protection and para ma-prevent din ang spillage. Ayan, so, nandun lang natin. Yan lang naman siya, simple lang. And ang bango talaga niya. Ang bango-bango. Gusto ko makahanap na ganitong amoy na pabango kasi amoy fresh lang. Ito na yung product. Sobrang punong-puno siya, diba? Yung sobrang hygienic mong tao, yeah, ganyan siya talaga, tub siya. So, wala siyang kasamang spatula. For hygiene purposes, I'm going to use a spatula. Ang liit nga lang ng spatula ko, diba? Pati kasi diba galing din ako sa sakit. So, yeah. For super maximum protection lang din. Yan. That's a really clear gel. I'm going to apply it to my face. By the way, I already cleaned and toned my face. So, I'm going to use this as a moisturizer. So, ayan. Kita nyo ba? I have to wear my glasses. So, as you can see, I have a lot of dry spots on my face right now. So, ayan, meron sa ilong, nababalad nga siya actually. So, yan. Basta, kanina nga, dami-dami pa yan. Basta, and then some here. Basta. And, I have a lot of pimple marks. Recently, sobrang ewan ko, talagang, ayan, sumaka na naman ang aking mukha at balat. Mukha kasi ang dami kong tagyawat dito sa area to. Parang ang dami nga nang nakuha ko, pero we'll see. Pwede ko naman gamitin sa ibang part yung excess. Kung may excess talaga. But yeah, oh my god, ang lamig niya. Hindi naman super lamig pero malamig siya. So, yeah, may cooling effect talaga siya. And I think this is perfect for summer. For as an after sun gel. Kasi nga diba yung aloe vera, parang meron siyang cooling, soothing effect talaga. Naturally. So, maganda siya pang prevent ng sunburn and pang soothe na din kung na-sunburn ka talaga. It is in a gel form. So, yeah, of course, it has a thick or gel consistency. Pero kapag nirub mo na siya or spread mo na siya, mabilis niya mag-turn into liquid. And it's very lightweight. Parang water na lang siya. Like this. It's not greasy at all. It's not sticky. I've tried other aloe vera gel before. Sobrang lagkit. Ito hindi. As in, wala. Walang lagkit. Oh my god, I like. It smells nice and fresh. And hindi naman din siya sobrang overpowering. Initially, it has a scent, maaamoy mo. Pero kapag na-absorb na siya ng skin, wala na siya. And ang dali niya na-absorb ng skin. Ayan, medyo dry na siya. Actually, hindi siya tacky. You can feel it kasi hindi pa siya super absorbed. Pero yan, it's not really sticky. I'm going to add some on my neck area na din. Because of course, you also have to moisturize my neck. So, ayan. Ay, ang dami. Ang dami ko nalagay. So, a little product actually goes a long way. Kung ano mang matitira dyan, apply nyo na din sa kamay nyo kasi sobrang sarap yung gawing parang moisturizer din talaga. All around product siya. I mean, you can use it on your face, arms, legs, and the hair. O, hair. Try natin sa hair since, tingnan nyo, wala ko kasing nilagay sa buhok ko ngayon. So, ayan. Super dry niya lang, diba? So, let's see how effective it will be on moisturizing the hair. So yun nga. It's a gel, but it's not the actual hair gels na titigas yung buhok mo, I think. Diba? Kasi hindi naman siya ganun talaga. But, parang lumalambot na yung, ang smooth lang ng hair ko. So, I think it helps in detangling. Nabawasan yung frizziness ng hair ko. And yung tira, again, isa-spread ko na lang sa kamay ko. Face ko, ayan, na-absorb na siya. Sobrang bilis lang niya ma-absorb na, diba? Na-absorb na siya and hindi talaga siya sticky. As you can see, wow! Diba? Ang ganda niya na. Hindi na siya super sabog and buhaghag. But it's not weighing down my hair din and it's not sticky. It doesn't make my hair look greasy and oily. And yun nga, hindi siya super lightweight. Parang wala kang nilagay. Pag na-absorb na siya, parang wala na lang talaga. Ay, hindi nahalata yung yung mga nagbabalat-balat dyan kanina, yung dry patches kanina. Parang wala na siya. So yeah, I guess it really moisturizes your skin. Kasi, wala na talaga. Hindi ko na makita yung mga, kanina ba may balat-balat pa talaga. And hindi ko naman siya tinanggal, as in, nag-moisturizer ako, nandun siya. So, ngayon wala na siya. I think this is perfect for using this as a moisturizer kapag kailangan mong mag-makeup kasi mabilis siya ma-absorb ng skin. So, you don't really have to wait too long before ka mag-start ng makeup routine mo. Mag-makeup na din ako. So, para makita din natin kung ano yung performance niya kapag mag-a-apply ka na ng makeup. And, ayan, tapos ako mag-makeup. Overall, it gives a really good first impression. I really love this product and I think it will be my new favorite skincare product, especially dahil all-in-one na siya. Tipong kahit saan pwede mo siyang gamitin. So, yun, sa hair, ayan, diba? Sa hair, sa face, and any skin. So, pwede sa hands, ganyan. I hope it has a really good, parang anti-inflammatory properties that yung pure and natural aloe vera extract. It helps in healing wounds talaga. So, I hope it will clear out my pimples. I will definitely update you guys on those stuff, kung paano siya, kung gaano siya kaganda in the long run. But yeah, again, a really good first impression. I really love this product. I would really recommend this to everyone. Try nyo kasi yeah, it's good. It's impressive and mura lang naman siya. Super affordable, tapos super sulit kasi ang dami-dami. And that's it for this review. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope it helped you in a way. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like to see more skincare review or mga Korean product reviews. If you have other products in mind that you want me to do a review of, just leave a comment down below. Sabihin nyo lang kung ano yun and I will do my best to try them out. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Before I forget, I have a code or a discount code for Althea Korea on the description box down below. Check it out. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you again next time. Bye-bye!